Y'all, every time I bite into this homemade peanut butter with Oreos, it's like a cookies and cream flavor. Y'all, this junk is so good. All I have to say is, if you a smoker, or if it's that time of the month, you can see the cookies and cream thing in there. Please be careful because you will not be able to stop eating this, okay? And for my girls, you know peanut butter is high in protein, which means a big booty. So y'all don't even have to worry when y'all snacking. Y'all can just be eating. You feel me? Yes, baby. Mm.